In today's video, I am going to teach you how to grant access to your Ga4 account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you should land on the Analytics home area. This is the main dashboard where Google Analytics shows a high-level overview of your data. Before you make any permission changes, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account. If you manage more than one account, selecting the right one now will prevent access from being granted in the wrong place. Next, look toward the lower left area of the Google Analytics interface and click Admin. The Admin section is where all settings live, including user permissions. When you open Admin, you will see different columns for managing your analytics setup. For this process, you will be working at the account level, which controls access broadly across the account. In the Admin area, find and click Account Access Management. This opens the user management page for the account. If you see Account Access Management listed more than once, select it again to make sure you are inside the correct access management screen. When you are in the right place, you will typically see a list of existing users and their current permissions. This is a good time to quickly review who already has access, especially if you are trying to keep access limited to only the people who need it. Now locate the control near the top of the Access Management page, where you can start adding someone new. Click the highlighted area or the main action control in that section to bring up the option to add users. Then click Add Users. This is the entry point for granting access. From here, you will be able to enter the user information and choose the appropriate permission level based on what you want them to do in Ga4. As a general tip, give the least amount of access required for the job and only increase permissions if it is truly needed. Once you have reached the Add Users screen, you are in the right place to finish granting access. And that is all there is to it.